Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena, and today we are doing a PR unboxing haul. I'm going to be showing you all the products I have received over the last month or a couple of weeks. So if you want to see all the things that I have received in PR, then make sure to keep on watching.
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside.
Let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'm so excited. If you are a brand that has sent me this stuff, thank you so much. I am truly so thankful. I literally cannot believe that I am receiving PR from some of these brands. Like, it is mind-blowing and just crazy to think that somebody wanted to send me, little old me, something in PR. So thank you so much. I'm truly grateful. I want to let you guys know that push for your dreams. If your dreams are to be a YouTuber, to be an influencer, definitely go after it. I am a person that can stand to you and let you know that dreams do come true. And I honestly, a year ago, would have not thought that I would have been receiving PR from some of these brands. That it is honestly just a true blessing, and I am thankful. So we're gonna go ahead and knock out the big boxes in this haul first, because I have a lot going on and I just need to get it out the way. Let me make sure I don't show you guys my address, because that would be kind of bad. Okay, so the first box that we got right here is, I kind of already opened it, but I haven't used any of the products. But the first package I got right here is from Uma Beauty. And if you haven't heard about Uma Beauty, they are a new brand that just recently launched in Ulta. They came out with several foundation shades. They came out with lipsticks, palettes, contour shades, all kind of stuff. They were kind to send me a package full of their products. So we're going to get right in and dive in and see what they sent me. First thing I'm seeing is that I think they sent me a bunch of their new foundation. I have heard a lot of things about their foundation, saying it is very good. It literally looks amazing on the skin, and y'all know I love a good foundation. So this is the Uma Beauty Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation, and it looks like they sent me all of the shades in the Bronze Venus category, which is the yellow category. They do have all their foundations categorized by color, so if you want to go on Ulta and check out their section, they have all of their stuff categorized in that section. Their stick contours, their foundations, their concealers, all of that is categorized in whatever range you're in. So I'm in the yellow range, so most of all the products that I received today has a yellow tab on it. Let me know if you guys want to see a full face using Uma Beauty, because I have not tried these products yet, and I'm really excited, and I really could film a video letting you know my thoughts on this brand. So if you would guys like to see that, then definitely let me know. So this is the packaging of the foundation for Uma Beauty, and I just love how cute the packaging is. I really love the fact that they have everything color coordinated in the shade range that you are. So that is really helpful when you go to Ulta or something and you're looking for products that are going to benefit your skin tone and the shades in your range. I love that touch that they did here, and I think this is such a clean, elegant look, and I really enjoy the packaging. The next thing is the Uma Beauty Double Take Sculpt and Strobe Stick. So I'm thinking this is a contour and highlight stick. Let's see. So yes, they got this side is the contour stick, as you can see right here, and it just scrolls up. That looks like a really good shade for me, and I'm really excited about that. And then on this side is the highlighting stick, and that is what that looks like right here. So I'm really excited about this. I love the fact that they are both in the same tube, so you can go ahead and contour and highlight in one swipe, and I really like this. Okay, the next three products they gave me were some concealers, and this is the Uma Beauty Stay Woke Brightening Concealer, and they sent me shades T1, T2, and T3, and these are the concealers. So let me go ahead and open up one of these, and this is the packaging of the concealer right here, and it has still the yellow tab on it, and it just has Uma Beauty and it has Woke on it. So that is super cute. Okay, and then the last few products in this box that they sent me are some lip products. They sent me 3 lip products and they are all different formulas. First one they sent was the Uma Beauty Badass Icon Matte Lipstick. They sent me the shade Brenda. This is the packaging. It's like an all white packaging. And it says a badass does not talk about being a badass. And that's on period. And like I said, this is in the shade Brenda. And this is like just a dark brown shade right here. This will be really, really nice for the fall time. And I love the fact that it is magnetic and it closes like that. That's really helpful. The next one is the Uma Beauty Boss Gloss Liquid Marble, and this is in the shade Ambition. This is the packaging is in this nice blue packaging. It says Boss, wake up, kick ass, repeat. Now that's so cute. I really like that. And this is what it looks like. It is in this really pink shade right here. I'm not going to swatch or anything because some of these things I might end up doing in a giveaway. So yes, this is the packaging and I just think this is so cute. It says Uma Beauty right here. The last lip product they gave me was the Black Magic Uma Beauty Metallic Lipstick. Wow, I've never seen a metallic lipstick look like this. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that is gorgeous. So, okay, that is everything I received from Uma Beauty. Thank you so much, Uma Beauty, for sending me that package. That was so sweet of you guys, and I can't wait to try out all the products. So definitely let me know if you guys would like me to see a full face of Uma Beauty products. So we're going to do this next package. It is from Revlon. It looks like their Fierce collection. They sent me this little pouch right here, which is so, so cute. And I'm going to open it up and see what is inside. So we do have some cards right here to explain, and I'm going to go ahead and pull out the products. They sent us this little card that says Eye Catcher Rule Breaker New Revlon So Fierce. And it looks like on here it's showing us some mascara and some eyeliners. So they sent over some eyeliners, and these are the new Revlon So Fierce eyeliners. And they are available in 6 shades and they retail for $8.99. And they said they give the look of a liquid liner with the ease of a pencil. This smooth gliding gel formula provides a shiny finish, and it is waterproof and smudge proof up to 16 hours. They sent over a brown shade right here, a really hot blue. Now this will be really fun for the summertime. A burgundy, which you don't really see a burgundy eyeliner, so I'm really curious to use this. A purple one and a black one, of course. So Revlon also sent me their new Revlon So Fierce mascara, and it says that it extends, lifts, and volumizes your lashes for an unapologetic lash look. This is available in 3 shades. It's clump free, smudge free, and flake free up to 24 hours. And this also retails for $8.99. So I'm really excited about this mascara. Like, it sounds really, really good. I love a good mascara. So we also have another package from Revlon. They are on it, aren't they? Right here. And they sent me another cute bag. They always send the cutest little makeup bags. Like, I know I'm going to get really good use out of this. So yes, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, but it has like Revlon written up here at the top. Also sent a little card. How freaking cute is this? I love this. I honestly want to put this in my room and frame it because it's so, so cute. But you just open it up and it says, this is their slick lacquered lips. Slick up your look this summer with the new Revlon Ultra HD Veil Lip Polish. And these retail for $9.99. Yes, they come in all these shades right here, if you can see that. They have a really good variety. They have a lot of mauves, reds, purples, pinks in this collection, and I'm really excited. It says the formula is vitamin E, shea butter, leaf extract, creamy mango, and whipped vanilla fragrance. That sounds really, really good. I'm really excited. It says the applicator is supposed to hug your lips and it gives you a really good shine. So I love me some lip products, so I know I'm gonna enjoy this. So I pulled out some of them. This is what they look like. This is not all of them because I can't hold them all in my hand. And sorry if you can hear any commotion. My boyfriend is on the phone and he is on speakerphone. How rude, honey. He know I'm in here filming, but whatever. This is what the applicator looks like. It smells really, really nice. So you can definitely find these in your nearest drugstore. But I'm really excited to be able to use these on camera just to see the pigmentation and everything. I just love the packaging. It's so sleek. I know it'll fit great in my purse because I love to carry my lip colors around and stuff. And I love the variety of shades. Thank you so much, Revlon. Y'all are the best, and I can't wait to use all your new products. So they sent me this cute little thing right here that looks like medicine. And if you turn it on the back, I know y'all not gonna be able to see this, but it says prepared for Elena. How freaking cute. I love a company that personalized gifts when they send it to. It just means that they know who they're making it for and that they know you. So that honestly makes me so thankful, and I cannot believe that they took the time to actually put my name on this package. So thank you so much, Pixie, for doing that. That is so freaking cute. And as you can see right here, it says Pixie Skin Treats. It says vitamin C daily dose of skin brightening. And it has 5 power pack treats for all skin tones. The first item they sent was the Pixie Skin Treat Vitamin C Lotion. Yes, this is a brightening moisturizer. And see, I am here for a brightening moisturizer. If you don't know, I have some dark spots that I like to brighten up. And who doesn't like to brighten up your spots? The next item I see is the Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. And this has with orange flower water. This is just a cleanser that you do not have to rinse. So I'm really intrigued by this product. This is the Vitamin C Tonic. This is a toner, and I love a good toner. You guys know, if you watch any of my skincare videos, then you know I love a good vitamin C toner. So I'm really excited to see how this works with my skin. I just know this is going to be bomb. Next is the Vitamin C Caviar Balm. Oh, this is a mask. Okay, a leave-on brightening mask. And the last product I received in the little thing is the Vitamin C Serum. Yes, we love a good serum, you guys. It says it's proven to reduce the effects of sun damage, free radicals, and helping to improve skin tone and creating a smoother complexion. All of those are a yes ma'am. Like in my skincare routine, that is what I'm looking to do. Or you use up to 2 to 3 drops all over your face, neck, and décolleté, and then you just use daily after cleansing and toning. I know this is going to probably become a staple in my skincare routine. So thank you so much, Pixies, for all the items that you sent me. I know I'm definitely going to keep this little medicine little jar that you sent me. This is too cute, and I can't wait to store this somewhere since it has my name on it. So this is the next package. It is from The Balm. The Balm, honey, they always be sending some of the most creative PR packaging ever. This is so cute. It's like a little lunchbox. Y'all know, like the old school lunchboxes that we probably was carrying up in kindergarten. Honey, like this is too cute. So this says the Bonfire Highlighting Shadow Blush Duo. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You fold this back. They got us some cards here for us to read. All the products are right here. So let me go ahead and read you what we are looking at. So this is the Bonfire Highlighting Shadow / Blush Duo. It says shine light on cover and watch it glow. So these glow in the dark. That is so cool. So they actually sent me 3 of their shadow / blush duos. They sent me 3 for you guys. So I'm going to put those in a giveaway so you guys can get them. And that is so exciting. I love them all. They always send me products for you guys. And I have so many items I cannot wait to give away to y'all. So this one they sent me was called Game Day. This right here is the first shade, and then when you open it up again, it has a second shade, and those are so pretty. So you can use these as blushes, blush toppers, or shadow. The next one they sent was Beach Goer, first shade in the duo, and I love that shade. That shade is gorgeous. This shade right here, which is more of a purple shade right here. And then the last one they sent was this one called Night Owl. And I am definitely a night owl, y'all. First shade is like a peachy shade. This one is more of a brownier shade. So thank you so much, The Balm. Those look bomb, and I can't wait to use those. They refilled me up on the Swing liner. If you have not tried their liner, it is so black. It gives you the perfect wing eyeliner. I swear by this eyeliner. It is bomb. So I'm definitely going to get some good use out of this because I think the one I have is going low anyway. So thank you so much to Balm for giving your girl some more liner because I love this stuff and swear by it. Our next box is from Belief, and I've really been wanting to try this company for a while now, and they were nice enough to send me over a little gift set from their company. So this is the Aqua Surf Up Belief little gift set. This is valued at $50, but you can purchase it for $38, and this is limited edition. Actually, on the back it shows us the products that are in the inside. So this says ride an explosive wave of hydration, and you already know your girl got dry skin, so we always looking for a good moisturizer to moisturize our skin. They have the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, so I'm really excited, and this is a new product, so I'm really excited. I've never heard about this product, so I'm definitely really excited to see what that is talking about. Then they have their famous Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. This has been the product I've really been wanting to try out. I've heard so many people talk about this product and said it is completely bomb. And then they also gave us the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. I love a good sleeping mask, especially if it's moisturizing. So when you open it up, you see all the items. So like I said, it's the sleeping mask, we have the cleanser, and then we have the moisturizer. Cannot wait to try. We got a lot of skincare in this haul, so I'm really excited to test out all these products in my skincare routine. So the last package that I received is from Buxom Cosmetics, and if you didn't know, Buxom was the first company or high-end brand to actually send me PR, so that is so crazy. Thank you so much, Buxom, for seeing something in me and for believing in me. You guys are amazing, and I love you guys so much, and I'm truly thankful. They always knock it out with their products. Now this product I am super excited about, and when I seen it on social media, I was like, oh my god, I hope I get this package in the mail, and I did. So thank you, Buxom family, for coming through for your girl. But this is their Full Force Plumping Lipstick. Full color, full lips, full force, and this is the little card that they sent with all of these shades of lipstick on it. This is their full coverage creamy plumping formula that delivers long-lasting, unapologetic, bold color. This is the packaging for the new Buxom lipsticks. It is in the white and silver packaging. This is what the lipstick looks like, and as you can see, it has that perfect curve that will definitely hug your lips, so I love that. And I love how it has lipsticks engraved into the lipstick. That is so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit different for my channel, but I wanted to be able to, you know, spice it up a little bit and change it up. So I wanted to show you guys what I was receiving in PR, and I did have a lot of requests to do this type of video, so I hope you guys did enjoy it. Also, if you've made it this far on the video, let's go ahead and do a freaking giveaway. So we're not going to say anything about the giveaway in the comments below. Just go ahead and leave a comment. I will be choosing somebody to receive a little box of makeup full of different products that I have received in PR or have been given to me. So let's go ahead and get to chatting up in the comments. Let me know, did you enjoy this video? What products that you were really excited to try? Have you seen something that you would like to try in this haul? Or what you would like for me to test out in a newer video. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support you show me in all my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, love.